Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So Vital Pump XL Gummies are marketed as a male enhancement supplement, claiming benefits like increased testosterone, enhanced libido, and improved stamina. However, several red flags suggest that this product may not be legitimate. So let us talk about these key concerns. So there are no clinical trials or peer-reviewed studies supporting the claims made by Vital Pump XL Gummies. The product's promotional materials do not provide transparent ingredient information or credible endorsements. Then we have questionable marketing. The product is often promoted through deceptive marketing tactics, including fake endorsements and misleading advertisements. So there's no evidence that Dr. Barbara O'Neill endorses or is affiliated with Vital Pump XL Gummies. Her name appears to be used without authorization in marketing materials. Some customers have reported being enrolled in auto-renewal subscriptions without clear consent, leading to unexpected charges. So, final recommendations. Before trying any supplements, especially these gummies, consult the health professional. Look for products with transparent ingredient lists, credible endorsements, and positive reviews from reputable sources. And be wary of products that use high-pressure sales tactics like scientific backing or misuse endorsements. Guys, hopefully this review helps you out. Stay healthy, enjoy, and of course, see you next time.